Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making $500 a day on YouTube. We all know that YouTube is a great way to start making money online. We all know it takes a lot of work to get up a channel up and running and start to be able to monetize, right? You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So I found a way that you can do it without actually needing your own camera. You don't need to put your face on video or any of that stuff. And you can use other people's content without worrying about getting a strike, on a copyright strike, right? Okay, because if you get 3 of those on YouTube, you're done. You're banned. Your channel's gone. You're not going to make any money. So there's a way you can do it. I'm going to show you how. All right, so you got to download non-copyrighted compilation videos to your computer using Creative Commons videos from the filter on YouTube. And then you change the keywords in the title and thumbnail. You use free software like Streamable to download and use certain clips to make your own compilation videos. I'm going to show you how to do all of that right now, so stay tuned.
You mentioned give me $1. You mentioned give me $1.
No bet, no bet.
Alright. No, that's bank, bank.
Okay, so let me show you the power of YouTube and what is trending right now, compilation videos, and how popular they are, right? So look at this, free memes kids compilation videos. Okay, they uploaded a video 3 days ago, 2.9 million views, all right? All right, this channel is blowing up. And a lot of the times what these channels are doing is just using other people's stuff that have no copyright on them, and there's hundreds of millions of videos on YouTube that you can use that are compilation videos that are being uploaded every day, right? So this person right here, CatTuber, 994,000 subscribers. That's a pretty big channel, and as you can see, they uploaded this video 5 days ago. Unexpected moments, what could go wrong? 523,000 views. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you the power of these videos and how it can be monetized and how much money these channels are making. All right, so what you do is you take the URL address and you use a free software called Social Blade. Okay, oops, I messed up here. Let me go back to Social Blade. Was checking out some stuff here, and with this you can see everything, the breakdown of what the channel is doing, how much money it's making on a daily basis, and from when it started, and so on. Okay, so look at this. This is Wednesday. This is how many subscribers it earned that day, and this is the estimated earnings for that day. All right, crazy, right? So $228 to $3,000. It's probably somewhere in the middle of that, depending on how much people watch the ads and how long they run for and so forth. Okay, you can see back in January, I think this is when the channel just started off, 2017. Look, it had, you know, hardly anybody, right, watching this channel. Okay, and then it started to get a boom. So putting in the work is definitely worth it, right? And it looked 120,000 views, right? So that's crazy. Look at the subscribers. This day they got, on April 18th, in April, 127,000 new people. Okay, so as you can see, this is very lucrative. You can see any YouTube channel and their stats on Social Blade, all right? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it without getting a copyright strike. This is the important part. You have to do it a certain way. Okay, so you come up here, let's go ahead and type compilation fails. Okay, and then you come to the filter, and here it is. Right over here, a thing called Creative Commons. This is where videos are, you're able to use these videos without having to worry about the copyright strike, because they're just free for anybody to use. They're not copyrighted protected. Anybody can use them, and that's what these channels are doing. They're just taking all these videos, finding stuff that they like and uploading them to free software like Streamable, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's go ahead and take this video right here.
Real quick before you watch
Alright.
the video, I've got a free
See, it's
Facebook
getting
ads
monetized.
cheat sheet.
I'm going to take this right here. This is the address for the video. And I'm going to put it into this software called Streamable. Streamable is super awesome and it's free. And I'm going to go ahead and upload the video. And it doesn't usually take that long. Okay. Right, I got the video. And here's the cool part about it. I can go ahead and take certain parts of the video that I like. So let's go ahead.
Oh my god!
Alright, so I just want that one part because I really like that. Not saying that I do, but just in case if I did, all I had to do is just zoom in and stop it right. This software is really awesome. I can go it right down to the millisecond. See? Check this out. Get exactly the part of the clip that I want. Alright, so I just want right there. That's the end of that clip. And I can take all these videos, because there's no copyright, and put whatever compilation video that I want to create and upload it to my own YouTube channel right now. And I'm doing that. And my channel is growing. And anybody can do it. Alright, so that's it. We'll be dropping more videos for anybody who wants to make money online and all that good stuff on how I'm doing it, and you can start doing it too. Thanks for watching.